Heatwave across Europe is breaking temperature records and fueling ferocious wildfires in multiple countries across the continent.
According to the Spanish National Meteorological Institute, the second heat wave of this summer will sweep through the country this Sunday, with a heat warning for a total of 41 provinces, with temperature reaching 45 in southern Andalusia and some areas where the surface temperature can reach over 50 degrees. The extreme heat wave that brought record temperatures to parts of Europe killed more than 1,700 people in the Iberian Peninsula, the World Health Organization European office said on Friday.
Tot indica que anem cap a aquesta situació de temperatures més elevades, onades de calor, precipitacions més irregulars, en menys quantitat però amb molta intensitat en alguns moments, i això és un escenari nou al qual ens hem d'adaptar.
Los golpes de calor o las deshidrataciones extremas pueden llegar a producirse incluso muchas horas después de haber estado expuesto a ese calor.
The Croatian Meteorological and Hydrological Service has stated that the second heat wave this summer began in Croatia on Thursday and will run through Sunday. The country has issued a red warning.
It is nothing very unusual, but what surprised us are recorded temperatures. In some years, we are surprised with the record of temperature, but also with the intense and duration of that high temperatures. So in that sense, we can say that this year in western and southern part of Europe, that is something quite serious.
Due to hot weather, wildfires raged in the southern part of the country, along Croatia's Adriatic coast, burning homes and threatening livelihoods. The rare heatwave and drought also breed devastating wildfires in countries including France, Spain, Portugal, Italy and Greece. The heatwave also swept across the Netherlands on Tuesday, one of the hottest days since the Dutch measurements started in 1901. In the United Kingdom, multiple wildfires broke out in Tuesday's record-breaking heatwave, putting mounting pressure on fire service.